presenting the 2013 Hyundai Accent SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear window wiper washer, dual advanced front airbags, manual day-night rear view mirror, AutoNet 172-watt AM Fathom per Candela MP3 player, 4-wheel anti-lock front disc rear drum brakes, auxiliary audio input and iPod USB connectivity, air conditioning, and child safety rear door locks. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.